kahapon yung sa Taal, Friday naman po yung Canlaon na matagal na rin po natin binabantayan. May connection ho ba pag itong mga bulkan po ay nag-erupt? No connection, but what can you say about po the activity that happened naman po sa Canlaon?
Yung sa Canlaon, meron tayong 25, meron tayong 3 din na ash emission activity naman. And pero hindi naman masyadong mataas, 300 meters lamang yung height. And wala pong connection yung activity ng Canlaon sa Taal. So again, we have 4 active volcanoes ngayon na may alert level. Mayon, Taal, Canlaon, and Bulusan. And we would expect these activities to be consistent with their alert level status.
Oh, okay.
So this, hindi naman po siya, kumbaga, hindi po siya kakaibang pangyayari ngayon. Kumbaga po, it fits a pattern po ba from the historical data of the volcanic eruptions po sa bansa?
Yes po. In fact, again, kung titignan natin yung, for example, yung Canlaon volcano, marami ng ash emission activities ito since it erupted last year. And in fact, for this month, meron tayong since June, nagkaroon tayo ng major eruption. Not major, but malaki din yung eruption ng June. It was not a major eruption kasi wala namang lava lumalabas. But we have degassing events since June 2025, meron tayong 19 events. So umabot ng pinakamataas is 1,000 meters.
Oo. Sabi nga natin, yung Dr. Bacolcol, no, since last year minomonitor na po itong bulkang Canlaon, kumbaga, do you see that it will really have to erupt na major, na talagang, kumbaga, hindi pwedeng ganito lang, hindi pwede puro mga minor eruption. Is it gaining strength? Is it
kumbaga,
gaining energy?
Oo,
may the big one ba? Na yung mga bulkan na ganito na active, sooner or later, it has really to explode. Opo. Ganun ho ba yun? Or hindi natin masasabi, pwede naman maging dormant ulit?
We don't use the term dormant. Kung we use inactive, but hindi to maging inactive kasi ang definition kasi natin ng inactive volcano if it has not erupted for the last 10,000 years.
Okay.
So even if hindi siya mag-erupt for the next 50 years, we still consider that as active.
Opo.
Anyway, again, yung question niyo po kung if this will eventually lead to a major eruption,
yes,
na may lavang lumalabas, isang beses lamang in recent memory nagkaroon ng lava yung Canlaon volcano.
Okay.
So 1903 eruption, nagkaroon ng lumalabas yung lava. Pero yung after that, yung basically yung eruption niya is katulad nung nangyari nung 2024 na parang mostly steam-driven eruption. So walang lava na lumalabas.
So ano,
and we're looking at actually 3 scenarios for Canlaon volcano. So yung scenario 1, if the current activity continues, we may still see occasional steam-driven or katulad yung nakita natin October 25 or short-lived explosion. So alert level 2 will stay in place. Now, yung pangalawang scenario, if the parameters will worsen, meaning more earthquakes, stronger gas emissions, or faster ground swelling, we could raise it back to alert level 3. And kapag continue pa rin, alert level 4 for possible magmatic eruption. Then yung scenario 3 natin, if the activity keeps declining for a good period of time, then we can step down to alert level 1.